Have you ever wondered how to lose fat and build muscle simultaneously? It might seem like a paradox, but with the right approach, it's entirely possible. Today, we're going to break down the steps to achieving this balance, so you can sculpt your body to its highest potential. First things first, nutrition is key. Eating a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates is the foundation of both fat loss and muscle gain. Protein fuels your muscles, fats provide energy, and carbs aid in recovery. So, ensure to include lean meats, nuts, veggies, and whole grains in your meals. But it's not just about what you eat, it's also about when you eat. Consider practicing intermittent fasting. This eating pattern cycles between periods of eating and fasting, which can be a useful tool in shedding unwanted body fat. Next, strength training is your best friend. Lifting weights increases your lean muscle mass, which in turn boosts your metabolism. So even when you're at rest, you're burning calories. Incorporate compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench press into your workouts. These exercises work multiple muscle groups at once, maximizing your time and effort. Don't forget about cardio. While strength training builds muscle, cardio helps with fat loss. But be mindful not to go overboard. Too much cardio can lead to muscle loss. A balanced mix of low and high-intensity cardio throughout the week can do wonders for your body composition. Lastly, remember the importance of rest and recovery. Your muscles grow and repair while you sleep, making a good night's sleep critical to your progress. Now let's summarize the main points. 1. Nourish your body with a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. 2. Consider intermittent fasting to aid in fat loss. 3. Make strength training a staple in your fitness regimen to build muscle. 4. Incorporate a balanced mix of low and high-intensity cardio for fat loss. And 5. Prioritize rest and recovery for muscle growth and repair. Remember, the journey to losing fat and building muscle isn't a quick one. It takes time, patience, and consistency. But with these steps, you're well on your way to achieving a healthier, stronger, and more toned body. So go ahead, start your journey today, and watch your body transform. In the end, it's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too.